Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here. Come out with another JavaScript tutorials handler.apply. So what handler.apply does is a trap for a function call. So let me show you. Create a function, name it as sum, pass an argument a and b, return a plus b. After that, we will make a constant, name it as handler equals. Inside that object, we will use apply method with make a function. Instead of doing that, I will do this. Target, pass argument as target, comma, this arg and argument list. When we do that, next thing what we're gonna do inside that, make full function, log it on a console, use the backtick. If you don't know what backtick is, it is another format doing printing string. And if you don't know where it is beside the skip button, the first button on the keyboard. So let's do. What we're gonna do is use calculate sum and use the dollar, pass an object argument list. When we do that, and there's expected output of 1,2 because it is. So next, and after that, the next line is we gonna return target and with inside argument list the first array, that means the 0th, and the second argument will be the first. And what we're gonna do is into with the 10th. And now what we're gonna do is make a proxy 1 equals new proxy constructor. Inside that, we will use sum comma handler, and after doing that, log it on a console, sum 1, 2. Expected output is 3. After that, we're gonna use proxy use the proxy 1. Yeah, we did, and pass an argument 1, 2. So what's gonna happen is first this show the 3, second will be the calculate sum 1, 2, and the last will be 30. So yeah, done. And thanks for watching this, guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.